the iPhone 17, followed by the sleek iPhone 17 Air, and the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro. Starting with their displays, the iPhone 17 boasts a vibrant 6.3-inch screen, while the iPhone 17 Air steps it up with a larger 6.6-inch display. The iPhone 17 Pro keeps it sharp at 6.3 inches. And the best part? All three models come with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for an ultra-responsive experience. Now let's talk cameras. While details on the iPhone 17's camera are still under wraps, the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel shooter. The iPhone 17 Pro, however, steals the show with a 48-megapixel camera, paired with an impressive 85mm telephoto lens for stunning zoomed-in shots. Powering these devices are next-gen chipsets. The iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air will rock the A19 chip, delivering blazing fast performance. The iPhone 17 Pro goes a step further with the A19 Pro chip, pushing the boundaries of speed and efficiency. Connectivity? All three models are expected to support Wi-Fi 7, ensuring lightning-fast internet speeds. As for RAM, the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air come with 8GB, while the iPhone 17 Pro ups the ante with a hefty 12GB for seamless multitasking. Mark your calendars, the iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September 2025. This series is shaping up to be one of Apple's most significant refreshes in years, with bold aesthetic changes, larger displays, powerful performance upgrades, and cutting-edge camera systems. Note: all information is based on rumors and leaks, and nothing is confirmed until Apple officially launches the iPhone 17 series. Stay tuned for the big reveal.